Once upon a time, there lived a quiet old man named Mr. Thomas.
Catch the ball, Maya. Throw it very high to me. Be careful, Leo. Don't throw it near the fence.
Stop right there! Look at this big mess!
I am so sorry, sir. It was a mistake.
Pick up your ball and go away right now!
Run, Maya! Let's go home very fast! Mom! Mr. Thomas is the meanest man ever!
Calm down, Leo. What happened in the garden?
My ball spilled his paint, and he shouted loudly. He yelled at me twice. It is not fair! Yes, Mom. He looked very scary.
Take a deep breath, son. Drink your warm milk.
He is always frowning. He never smiles at anyone.
Mr. Thomas lives all alone. He is very lonely.
Why does he live all alone, Mom?
His family moved away long ago. Remember, do not judge a book by its cover.
What does that mean, Mom? I don't understand.
It means an angry face can hide a good heart.
Leo, look! I found a new paint jar for him. Great job, Maya. Let's put it on our cart. We will say sorry to Mr. Thomas today. Is the red paint glass heavy, Leo? I hope he does not shout at us again. What if he closes the door on us? No, it is light. Don't be scared, Maya. We will knock gently. I am with you, so everything is okay. Look! The big tree root on the path. Oh no! Watch out, Maya! I am slipping! Oh my goodness! The wood fell down! Look at all the dust coming out! The heavy logs are blocking the workshop door. Oh no! Did we break something again?
Hello? Is anyone out there? Help me! It is very dark in here!
Mr. Thomas! Are you okay inside?
I hurt my foot! I cannot open the door!
Leo, I am scared. Let's run and get Mom. No, Maya. It is getting dark. We must help now. Hang on, sir. We are moving the logs. Find a strong stick, Maya. Fast! I am helping too, Leo. Hold this stick with me. On 3, we push. It is moving. Push harder, Maya. 1, 2, 3. P-U-L. The door is open. Mr. Thomas, are you okay?
Thank you, children. You saved me.
We brought a new red paint jar for you, sir.
We are sorry about yesterday.
You are good children. Come inside, and I want to show you something.
Wow! It is so beautiful, Leo! Hundreds of wooden toy cars! Sir, why do you make so many beautiful wooden toys?
I make them to give to the children in the hospital for Christmas.
You are amazing! Can we help you paint them, sir?
Of course. These 2 small brushes are for my best little helpers.
Look, Maya, the wooden car painted red looks super cool. Look at my red wooden doll, sir. Does it look pretty?
It is beautiful, my dear. Thanks to you, these toys have a soul now.
My mom was right. An angry face really hides a very warm heart. Goodbye, Mr. Thomas. Tomorrow we will come back to help you make more toys.
Sometimes, an angry face is just a cover for a warm heart. Open your mind to feel the love around you.